Today we will discuss Python lists. First we will write this is example my list equal to open square brackets apple, banana, and last one cherry. Close square brackets. First one apple, place in double quotes. Okay, this is example. First, let's discuss what is list. What is what is list? Lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. My list is a variable. Lists are one of four built-in data types in Python used to collection of data. Store collection of data. The other three are tuple, set, and dictionary, all with different qualities and usages. Lists are created using square brackets. This is square brackets. I will show you example in ideally tool. This is ideally. Here we will write this list equal to open square brackets, open and close square brackets. Inside the brackets, double quotes, apple, comma, banana, comma, cherry. Next, print the variable. Print of this list. This list means variable. Now enter. Output is coming.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.